This is the TRENDnet AC3200 tri-band wireless router. I'll unbox it and show how to set it up. We just actually moved and found that our Wi-Fi coverage provided by the modem that we got from our ISP was pretty much inadequate. There were dead spots in several areas of the house, particularly at both ends of the house. The Wi-Fi didn't reach into the yard also for when we were doing like yard work or just enjoying the outdoors, because we wanted to listen to music or just talk on the phone or whatever, and the Wi-Fi didn't reach out there. So we got the TRENDnet AC3200. It optimizes the traffic in a variety of technical ways, but basically it makes sure that everything is going as fast as possible in whatever way works best for that particular device. I think that this router would work really well for a family, a business, or probably even a store or a school. To install it, just raise the antennas, plug the cable into the modem, plug in the power, and turn it on. There are 4 sockets for additional Ethernet connections, and to set it up for the first time, we just plugged one of those directly into a computer. So the screen here is a bit blurry because I'm videotaping the monitor, but I hope you can basically see what I'm doing. I went to a special address in my browser and then viewed the settings on the TRENDnet 3200. On the first screen, you click Next. And then on the second screen, you click Apply, and that's basically it. After that, we logged in using the password that TRENDnet provides so that we can go back in and set up a specific name for our wireless network and things like that. I gave my network a new name. Chose a specific channel that would work in our area. And changed the password. Then I clicked Apply, and that was it. There's many other settings that can be changed. You can set up a guest network for something like visitors to your business or to keep them off your private network. There's also parental controls included if you want to block certain websites for your family. And there's more advanced settings for businesses too. On my tablet here, you can see the pink arch, which is our new Wi-Fi network, courtesy of the TRENDnet router. It works great, and now we have strong, fast internet connections throughout every area of our home. I also tested it outside and found that it worked for about 500 feet around the perimeter of the house too.